What if your voice had no sound and your words no weight? What would you do?
I'll be delivering it personally.
Where would you go? The Thunderground Railroad.
While scouting for historic locations in the Parramore Heritage District, we discovered quite a unique site. A set of abandoned warehouses like none we've ever seen before. On this particular day, several artists were busy creatively expressing themselves with many cans of colorful spray paint.
This wall is called the Alive 5 wall. This will always be called the Alive 5 wall. That's why I had the Alive 5 on it. This piece altogether, that was Alive 5 is served.
Yeah,
and that was his thing back then.
It was serve.
That was his thing back then. You see, it got covered up, artwork, the word. But the piece got buffed. And we didn't want to leave him hanging out there buffed. You know, the man, this man left the piece the right way. So we did it over and we put his name on it. His name right there, Alive 5.
What does that mean the piece got buffed?
Guys just came off and they went over it and fucked it up.
He was down here when he was on a project, a tour project, and he served, with him. One of my idols,
man.
Wow.
That right there, that's the Alive 5. Man.
That's tight.
This is our work too.
And that's our work.
This is our work. That's our work over there.
Man, y'all got crazy skills, man.
Some of these designs must have taken hours to create.
One question, brother. Do you know who Padre Bogo is, who did this work on the other side?
I haven't met them before.
Okay. Yeah, it was tight. Yeah, they bad. Okay.
Back in this bitch, point pushing niggas out. That's my spiritualness. Y'all crab so slimy, call y'all Lucifer kids. Like the sun.
And it's not just graffiti artists and spectators that visit the scene.
The hottest fire can get, and it ain't no going nothing for eternity, bitch. Put your diamonds in the sky, and do that shit. Hey, what you do when you trying to get your mind wrong? Lose that bitch, or you keep it in your high.
Hey, masters up top, you know what I'm saying? We got here props to y'all. Without y'all, the art form wouldn't exist. But you gotta come down below the Mason-Dixon line, and you'll see how you formed and changed.
As the day ends, the evening lends yet another perspective on graffiti warehouses.
Hey girl, you whining on me. You got what I need. Girl, the way you wearing that dress when the clock strikes 3. You coming with me. We'll paint the city.
We would like to thank all the artists, the writers, rappers, musicians, and dancers who contributed to this production. And thanks to the Parramore community for being a part of this cultural experience.
is your night. Tonight is your night. Baby, you can have it. We could paint the city like Picasso on the canvas. The way you whining, I wanna put it in glasses. The way you grinding, I wanna go ahead and grab